Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Mercer County in central New Jersey. This includes the city of Trenton, southern Morris County in northern New Jersey, Somerset County in northern New Jersey. This includes the city of Somerville, Hunterdon County in northwest New Jersey, eastern Bucks County in southeast Pennsylvania, until 7:30 p.m. At 5:57 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. These storms were located along the line extending from Caliphant to Byram to Chalfant, or along the line extending from 14 miles northwest of Somerville to 20 miles southeast of Easton to 17 miles north of Philadelphia, and moving east at 10 miles per hour. Severe thunderstorms will be near Lebanon around 6:05 p.m., Sargentsville, Sandbrook and Stockton around 6:25 p.m., White House Station and Flemington around 6:35 p.m., New Hope around 6:40 p.m., Richboro around 6:45 p.m., Peapack and Gladstone around 6:50 p.m. This is a dangerous storm. If you are in its path, prepare immediately for damaging winds, destructive hail, and deadly cloud-to-ground lightning. People outside should move to a shelter, preferably inside a strong building, but away from windows. In addition to large hail and damaging winds, heavy rain will occur with these storms and cause low-lying and poor drainage flooding. Please report hail or strong winds to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-877-633-6772 when you can do so safely. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. Friday evening for northern Delaware and New Jersey and eastern Pennsylvania. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:30 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey: Hunterdon, Morris, and Somerset. The National Weather Service in Upton, New York has issued a flash flood warning for Passaic County in northeast New Jersey, Rockland County in southeast New York, Bergen County in northeast New Jersey, until 7:30 p.m. At 5:56 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated flash flooding from thunderstorms along the line extending from Suffern to 11 miles southwest of Bloomingdale, or along the line extending from Suffern to Parsippany Troy Hillsdale, moving east at 10 miles per hour. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding will be near Suffern by 6:05 p.m., Ramsey by 6:15 p.m., Muncie by 6:20 p.m., Wayne by 6:25 p.m., Nanuet by 6:35 p.m., Hawthorne by 6:40 p.m. Excessive runoff from heavy rainfall will cause flooding of small creeks and streams, highways and underpasses. Additionally, country roads and farmlands along the banks of creeks, streams and other low-lying areas are subject to flooding. A flash flood warning means that flooding is imminent or occurring. If you are in the warning area, move to higher ground immediately. Residents living along streams and creeks should take immediate precautions to protect life and property. Do not attempt to cross swiftly flowing waters or waters of unknown depth by foot or by automobile. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 7:30 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey, Bergen and Passaic, and Rockland County, New York.